Okay, so before we get started, let's just run through what you're going to need for the job of installing your cargo family pack. So you're going to need the two end sections of the guardrail and the two side sections, and then in your pack you should have 4 mounting bolts with washers, and then 3 pairs of bolts and bolt holders, and therefore the family pack itself. Okay, you're going to need a 5mm Allen key, and then a 4mm Allen key, and then if you've got a multi-tool as well or something like that, then I'll explain at the end, it can be helpful to have a second pair of each of these. So yeah, let's get started. So step 1 is to fit the end sections. The front section is the one that doesn't have the crossbar at the top, and it's also the one that has the latch. So we'll put the back section to the side to begin with. And when you're installing the guardrail, the frame, I would do everything just quite loosely to begin with. It just makes it, when you fit the sidebars, etc., it makes it a little bit easier to fit it all together. So what we're going to do, the mounting points on the flatbed are the two at the extremes, so right at the front and right at the back, and all we're going to do just for now is just hand tighten them on there. Got a random piece of plastic, so we're just going to hand tighten them on. Just grab the another bolt. So as I say, we're just leaving this pretty loose to begin with, and then we're going to go over to do the back section. So remember, onto the very last mounting points on the flatbed. I'm just going to thread those through. Now sometimes there can be a little bit of overspray of the paint, and so if you find it's a little bit heavy to get the bolt in, don't panic, it's not a big deal. Just make sure you've got the bolt lined up properly, but as I say, it can just take a second to catch. Okay, so just leave these nice and loose to begin with, but just so they won't fall off. And that is step 1. Okay, the next step is we're going to put the side rails on. And we're going to do the right side first, so you can tell which is the right side because it's got like a little pointy bit at the end, and that's for the latch. So we're going to put that to the side, and we're just going to start with the right hand side, and this is why we've left it loose, so that you can just push it the back end away. The handrail you want facing outwards, okay, and then that's when our other set of bolts come into handy. So for this right hand side, you want one of the longer, thinner bolt housings and one of the longer, thinner bolts. Okay, so the bolt housing goes from the inside out, so it can be a little bit tricky just to thread it through, but you just wiggle the handrail a little bit and eventually it will go through, and then you're just going to get one of the longer, thinner bolts, meet it on the other side, and again we're just going to just loosely do that up. Then we do the other side, so there's another one at the front end. Again, that one's gone through nice and easy. Just meet it on the other side. Just do that nice and loose. Okay, so that's the right hand side. Now we're going to do the left, and you should have basically one set of bolt housing and bolt left. Okay, the sort of shorter, fatter ones basically. And then what you're going to do, what I recommend you do, is just slide it over the top of the catching bolt, and then push it back to line it up with the hinge, and then you're just going to get the big bolt housing from pushing through from the inside to the outside. This one can take a second. Okay, so you just got to make sure it's lined up properly, and then push it through. And then once you've done that, bolt on the other side, again, just loosely fitting it. So that's it installed, but albeit, you know, very shaky and very loose. So now what we're going to do is just go around and tighten everything up. So for the mounting bolts on the flatbed, we're just going to get our 5mm Allen key and just do all those up nice and tight. Okay. Nice and tight. Last one on this side. And then once we've done that, we're going to tighten up the rest of the cage. So holding your 5mm Allen key. These two on the right hand side, they're 4mm, but this one with the hinge is 5mm. So we're just going to tighten that one up. And this is where having a second set of Allen keys comes in handy, or if you've got a multi-tool. So just getting another 5mm Allen key on the other side, and then you just use them just to make sure it's nice and tight. And then the last two bolts, as I said earlier, they're 4mm. Just going to do these up. Last one. And then you have it. That's it.